Hello and welcome to your hand and wrist free power yoga class. Meet me in mountain pose standing at the top of your mat. Bring your hands up to heart center. This sequence will put little to no pressure on your hands and your wrists. That means no chaturangas, no vinyasa flow, no poses that put weight on your hands and wrists. Inhale, sweep your arms straight up to the sky, look up. Exhale, hands through heart center. Inhale, big sweep of your arms, reach up. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, reach up, open your arms, your chest, look up. Exhale, prayer. Separate your feet hips distance. Inhale, circle your arms straight up to the sky. Press your palms. This time, exhale, fold forward. Grab for opposite elbows, ragdoll pose. Add a soft bend in your knees. Let your torso hang heavy and sway side to side, relieving any tension in your back and your spine. Release. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your hands to your shins. Lengthen out your spine. Draw the crown of your head to the front of your space. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Reach your arms straight up overhead. Take your right hand around your left wrist. Find length along the left side of your body. Tilt up and over to the right. Side body stretch. Inhale, extended mountain. Exhale, left hand around right wrist. Lengthen up and bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, circle your hands down to your low back, fingers point. Exhale, press your hips forward, supported back bend. Lift your chest, look up. Inhale, stand on up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, grab your left wrist with your right hand, side body stretch. Inhale, center. Exhale, grab onto your right wrist and stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, sweep your hands to your low back, supported back bend. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, hips forward, chin up. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, sweep your arms up, extended mountain pose. Shift your weight to your right leg, and then take a big step back with your left foot. High crescent lunge. Inhale, lift your torso up. Exhale, sweep your arms back by your sides. Bend your back knee. Pulsing lunge with airplane arms. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, airplane lunge. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, airplane lunge. Inhale, high crescent. Exhale, open arm twist. Left arm forward, right arm back. 3 pulses, soft bend in your back knee. Up and down. Inhale, left arm up, right arm to your left hamstring. Find length. Inhale, return to high crescent. Exhale, forward fold, let it go. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise up, extended mountain pose. Exhale, step your right leg back, high crescent. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, airplane pulses 3 times. Pulse your back knee as you sweep your arms back. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, right arm forward, left arm back. Open arm twist, pulse your right knee 3 times. Inhale. Exhale, left hand to your right hamstring, right arm straight up overhead, exalted crescent. Reach up and tip back. Inhale, high crescent, face front. Exhale, forward fold, grab for the backs of your calves or ankles. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, extended mountain. Exhale, step back, high lunge on the right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, 3 pulses with airplane arms. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, pulse. On the final time, hold. Step on your right leg. Warrior 3 with airplane arms. Breathe in. Bring your upper body to the shape of a capital T. 1 more breath in. Exhale, left toes meet the mat. Left arm forward, right arm back. Open arm twist with pulse your back knee. Pulse and pulse. Exhale, exalted crescent, left arm up, right arm to your left hamstring. Exhale, hinge forward, prayer twist. Hook your left elbow on the outside of your right knee, hands at heart center. Inhale, find length in your spine. Exhale, open your chest to the right, like you're wringing out your spine. Take a breath in. On your breath out, step your left foot forward, prayer twist. Inhale, stay low, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Let it go. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up to standing. Shift your weight to your left leg. Exhale, high crescent lunge. Find length. Exhale, sweep your arms and pulse your back knee. On your final time, hold. Step on your left leg. Kick your right leg up and back. Warrior 3 with airplane arms. Big breath in. Exhale, right foot finds the mat. Open arm twist, pulses. Exhale, exalted crescent, left arm back, right arm up. Breathe in, find length, tip back. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, prayer twist. Hook the right elbow on the outside of your left knee. Inhale, find length. Exhale, wring out your spine. Inhale. Exhale, step your right foot forward, chair twist. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist. Inhale, back to center chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Clasp your hands at your low back and bring your knuckles up overhead towards the floor behind your head. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Exhale, release. Tented fingers, no pressure in the wrists. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink your hips, lift your arms up, chair pose. Shift your weight to your right leg. Left leg starts to lift up as you step on your right leg. Inhale, single leg mountain. Exhale, warrior 3 with your arms reaching forward to frame your ears. Breath in, stay lifted. Exhale, warrior 2. Dial your back heel down to the mat. Inhale, straighten your legs, press your palms overhead to touch. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, fly up. Exhale, press down. Inhale, press up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, flip your front palm, tip up and back, peaceful warrior. Left hand reaches for your leg or wraps around your back. Inhale, release. Exhale, high skandasana with your left knee bent. Hands to heart center, sink your hips back. Deep bend in your left knee. Inhale, release, rise up. Straighten both legs, plant your left heel down, triangle pose. Right hand down, left arm up. Vertical line of energy from your left fingertips down to your right. Release to warrior 2. High lunge. Step your left foot forward, chair pose. Breathe in. Exhale, forward fold, release. Let go here. Come back to your breath. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift your torso, reach your arms up, sink your hips low, chair pose. Shift your weight to your left foot. Lift your right knee up to your chest, single leg mountain pose, stand up, big breath in. Exhale, hinge forward, warrior 3. Arms reach long overhead, kick your right toes back. Find length, aiming for that capital T shape. Breathe in, hover. Exhale, plant down, warrior 2. Inhale, straighten your legs, press your arms up overhead. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, fly up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, fly. Exhale, press down. Inhale, flip your front palm, peaceful warrior. Right hand goes to your leg or reaches around back for a half bind. Stay low with a deep bend in your left knee. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, skandasana. Bend your right knee, sink your hips back. Hands at heart center. Inhale, five-pointed star, reach up. Exhale, open your arms, bump your hips to the back, tip forward, triangle pose, left arm down, right arm up, look up. Big inhale. Exhale, hold. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, turn your chest to the front, high lunge. Step your right foot forward, chair pose. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Once again, clasp your hands at your low back, forward fold with a shoulder rinse. Allow gravity to send the weight of your hands overhead for a big release in your shoulders. Head hangs heavy. Exhale, release. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, sink low, chair pose. Right away, shift your weight to your right leg. Stand up, single leg mountain pose. Inhale. Exhale, kick your left toes back. Warrior three. Stretch long. Breath in. Breath out, warrior two. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, stand up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, flying. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, tip up and back, peaceful warrior. Commit to that bend in your right knee. Straighten both legs. Skandasana, deep bend in your left knee. Option to sink your hips low, flex your right toes for a low skandasana. Inhale, release, star pose, press your palms up. Exhale, triangle pose, two straight arms, two straight legs, left arm up. Inhale, lift up, warrior two. High lunge. Step your left foot forward, chair pose. This time straight over to the other side. Lift your right leg up, step on your left foot, stand up, single leg mountain on the inhale. Exhale, warrior three, tip forward, hinge forward, kick back. Inhale. Exhale, right foot finds the mat, warrior two. Inhale, flying warrior, press up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, fly. Exhale, press. Inhale, fly. Exhale, press. Inhale, flip your front palm, peaceful warrior. Exhale, skandasana. You can keep this high or sink your hips all the way down. Flex your left toes. Stand up, triangle pose. Left hand down, right arm up, two straight legs. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, high crescent. Step your right foot forward, chair pose. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Part your feet, turn your toes out. Sink your hips low, skandasana. Keep your chest lifted, hands at heart center. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, heel toe your feet back in. Come back up to standing. Come to the long side of your mat, face to the side, toes out, heels in. Reach your arms overhead, press your palms at the top. Inhale. Exhale as you send your hands through heart center. Sink your hips super low, goddess squat. Couple pulses with your hips, get nice and low, working your thighs. Lift one heel up off the mat. Pulse your hips, stay low. Tiny pulses. Lower that heel, switch to the other heel, couple pulses. Lift both heels up off the mat, pulses. Feeling the burn here. Inhale, reach your arms out to the side. Exhale, right hand reaches towards your left thigh. Left arm reaches up overhead. Hinge your torso to the right so you're getting a side body stretch. Hips stay low. Inhale, back up, arms out to the side, sink low. Exhale, left arm to the right thigh, right arm overhead. Inhale, center, press up to star. Exhale, hands through heart center. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, sink your hips low, arms out to the side, return to goddess pose, couple pulses. Left hand to the right thigh, right arm overhead, hinge to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left arm overhead, hinge to the right. Inhale, stand up, straighten your legs, hands to heart center. Heel toe your feet back into center. Return to the top of your mat. Inhale, circle your arms overhead, reach up to the sky. Exhale, let your hips touch down. Try not to use your hands at all. Roll like a ball a couple times. Hold on to the backs of your legs. Use your core strength to catch yourself. This next time, come up to balance on your hips for boat pose. See if you can extend your legs, float your arms up, palms face up. Option to take your hands down to the floor for support. Inhale. Exhale, low boat, hover and hollow body hold. Inhale, boat. Exhale, low boat. Take your own pace, challenge your core here. Exhale, lower everything down to the mat. Release. Let your body sink into the mat for a moment here. Inhale. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a big hug of gratitude for showing up, working so hard. Extend your left leg, hug your right knee into your chest, give it a little squeeze. And keep your right knee plugged in towards your right armpit. Reach both hands to grab for your right foot. If that's too much, you can always grab for the calf or the thigh for a half happy baby shape. Breathe here. Release that. Draw your right knee across your chest. Supine spinal twist. Right arm extends out to the side. Turn your head to the right. And release. Hug your knees into your chest. Release your right leg long. Hug your left knee into your chest. Deep bend in the left knee. Plug your left knee into your armpit. Half happy baby. Grab onto whatever you can, opening and releasing through the hip and thigh. Exhale, supine spinal twist. Left knee crosses over your body to the right. Eyes to go to the right. Eyes fall off to the left. And release. Hug your knees into your chest one final time, showing your body some love. Inhale. Exhale, Shavasana.